I ordered one more phone from Ovantica. But why I bought this device? This video will have three segments. The first one is the unboxing. The second one is gaming test. The battery performance, phone screen on time and battery charging time and device performance. These three things will be explained in the second segment, and the third segment will be the most important thing, the camera test. I got a lot of clips, so let's start the video.
लेकिन एक सेकंड
And here is the disclaimer which has two things in it. The first one is none of my videos are sponsored, particularly Ovantica. Because for some of my unboxing videos from Ovantica, people commented like this is a paid review. Anything you see in my channel is bought like rest of you. If at all something is sponsored, that will be mentioned in the beginning of the video itself. So you don't need to worry about whether my videos are sponsored or not. Just enjoy the videos. I already made a lot of reviews on Ovantica. There is nothing new to tell. So I'm not changing any of my statements. Even if it's sponsored, you already know what I feel about the website. And the second one is I don't know much about iPhones. I neither use these devices nor watched a lot of content on these devices. So I can't suggest you anything about the devices because I myself know very less about this device. For this, you should do a bit more research while buying these devices. But I think I can help you with the Sony Xperia devices. From last 2 years, I'm using Sony Xperia phones as my primary phones. Even this one is Sony Xperia 5 Mark IV. So if you have any doubts on Sony Xperia devices and Ovantica, you can ask your questions in the comments. I will either reply it or make a video on it, so that I can do. But why I bought this device? I think now iPhone 7 is a little over 10 years old. So now we can consider this as retro device. Particularly for camera test, I bought this device. This one is iPhone 7 problematic condition. It has some panel scratches, display scratches and loudspeaker is not working, and home button is also not working. Some call sensor issues maybe. So when you order something from Ovantica, what do you get inside the box? You will get a phone and one SIM ejector and one charging cable, which will be, this one will be the bill. Most of the time I buy these problematic devices because I only need to do a camera test, except that I don't care about the SIM or display scratches, panel scratches or fingerprint scanner. So that's why I buy this, because these problematic devices are a bit cheaper, that's why. But remember this, for problematic devices you don't get a regular warranty like Ovantica gives 6 months warranty for Android phones and 1 year warranty for Apple phones. You will get only 7 days replacement policy if it has any issues that are not mentioned before selling. You can see the scratches. On display it doesn't have much scratches, so it will be very usable. So let's power this on. Okay, it had charge in this. Okay, let's open the camera. The camera is working, so no issues. Before buying, they said this display has some scratches, but I can't find any scratch. But remember this important thing, if you are buying anything from any website, definitely try to make an unboxing video which is uncut, like from starting to ending. Use the device 4 to 5 minutes in front of the camera, because if it has any issues you can use that, you can send that video as proof while claiming warranty. It will definitely be helpful, so try to do that, because I had unboxing videos and I claimed warranty because I recorded while unboxing that. So that is our proof. Definitely make an unboxing video, whatever that is. This is the thing I am talking about when I said I don't know much about iPhones. They said the battery health is 96%. Even I checked it, it showed 96%, but I don't think it is the right number because it mismatches with the usage. When I try to use it, it drops quickly while playing games. Even that's not the issue. While charging the phone, it shows 56% one time, but after I remove the pin it shows 4%, 5%. So if the parts are unknown, I don't know much about iPhones, I can't suggest you any tips. Can we use this device to play BGMI? And the answer is yes, but this device performs very well for its age. Like it was released back in 2016, it can still run BGMI, but it lags sometimes. 80 to 85% of the game it's good, but it lags for 10 to 15 seconds. After that it will be normal. So this device can be used for casual gaming, not for serious gaming. You can definitely use this device to play games, but remember, if you use this, so if you play two matches, the battery will go down to zero. That's the thing. And when you charge this device, it might take around 2 hours, from 15 to 100. The screen on time will be somewhere around 2 hours to 4 hours, not more than that. If it's a new device, I think that would be different, but for this, that's the, it does heat while playing, but it just cools off after 1 2 minutes if we leave it idle. But never play while charging the phone. That's the oldest tip I can give. And coming to camera quality, both images and videos are good, but I don't prefer this quality. I like a different colors and different kind of background blur. But this phone is very much useful now as a camera, even in 2026 or whatever the year you are watching this video. Particularly for macro shots, it captures good details and decent colors. The reason that I don't prefer iPhone camera is they look very smooth and soft and way more digital. I know smartphone cameras are supposed to be like that, but I generally prefer a bit more grainy images than the smooth and soft.